Now see the question number 2b of workout 21. Let's construct a parallelogram jump in which JU 5.2 cm, UM 4.8 cm, JM 7 cm. You can see here 3 conditions are given. But no, here 5 conditions are given because the name is given here, that is parallelogram. You know all the properties of parallelogram. In parallelogram, what happens? All the opposite sides are always equal and parallel also. Okay. So, when JU is given, UN are given, so you can write it in the order JUMP. JUMP, I have written it, and you can write it in this order also, JUMP. Okay. Now, taking the length JU 5.2 on the base and the length UM 4.8 on this side, you can see 5.2 should also be there on the opposite. So, you can write 5.2 here. And similarly, 4.8 must be on the opposite part. Okay. That means opposite sides are equal. So, we got 5 lengths. Okay. 1 diagonal and 4 sides. That means 5 conditions are available. Now you have to start the drawing as we have did on the previous one. Now see, I am taking this first figure. You can do this figure also. Okay. So I am taking this figure. So I have to take the base 5.2. So I am taking 5.2 base. So putting the needle here, I am taking the length 5.2. Just on the initial line, you have to cut this 5.2 centimeter. Okay. Now, as I have drawing this, so I have to write J here and U here. Okay. Now to take this length, you have to take 4.8 so that you can get point P. 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 centimeter. Okay. So putting on J, we are getting the point P. Okay. Try to do this in longer length so that next time you don't have to repeat this. Okay. Similarly, 4.8 is given on this side also. So you have to put the same arc putting at U. Okay. Just follow the same arc. Now after drawing this, you have to take the length of diagonal. If you are taking this diagonal, this figure, then you have to put the needle at J. That means at this place you have to take and you have to cut this diagonal in this way. But if you are drawing this figure, then you have to put the needle here and you have to cut this here. Okay. So, as I am doing this figure, so we should put the needle at this place. Okay. And then by taking 7 centimeter, we have to cut this here. So, put the needle here and take the length 7 centimeter. So, getting this length, put this here, cut this here. So, you are getting the point M. Okay. So I am writing here M. So to get the point P, we have to take this length. That means this one, 5.2. So putting the needle here, again take the length 5.2 because the arc length is different. 5.2. Then putting the needle at M, just cut this. Okay. Now you have to join this and write it P here. Now join this 4 and you have to join JM. Okay. So you have to join this place and this place. Okay. Then you will get the parallelogram which you want. After that you have to write the statement. Okay. Now you can see I have completed the figure. In this way you have to draw the figure and you have to complete the statement. After that you will get the full marks. Okay. Don't forget to write the lengths. Okay. After writing the lengths and drawing the diagonal, then only the figure will be complete.